Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. If you just buy it and you want to set up all the things, how you're going to do it, watch this video till the end, and by the end of this video you will know that how to set up your phone. So as you can see, I just started this phone and I will show you step by step how to set it up. So just watch the video and follow all the steps. So guys, this is the next step that you will see here. You need to choose the language. Once you choose the language, if you want to change the language, all you need to do is to tap on the drop down arrow, and from this list you can choose a language. So once you choose the language, the next thing you need to do is to tap on start, and they say for your review you need to agree to all these terms and conditions. You need to tap on agree, and it will ask you to choose a Wi-Fi network. You need to connect to an internet, so I will connect to the internet first. So guys, once you connect to the internet, the next step is that you need to tap on next and getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes, as you see on your screen. So guys, the next step is that copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contact, Google accounts, and more. I have made a video how you can transfer the data from one Samsung phone to another Samsung phone, your old one to the new one. So here I'm not going to do it, but if you want to do it, you can do that as well. Next, and use another device. If you want to do that right now, you can do that, but can't use other devices. I will tap on it and it's a checking info. You can find the link of that video in the description below of this video as well. So guys, the next step is that you need to sign in to your Google account if you already have it. If you don't have it, you can create one. I will enter my email address and then I will show you the next step. So guys, once you enter the email, the next thing you need to do is to enter your password. So guys, once you enter your password, just tap on next, and then they will ask you to two-step verification. If you have the two-step verification, you can do that step as well. Get verification code on your number or whatever method that you have chosen for your account. So I have this, I will receive a code and then I have to enter it. They say verify your phone number, then need to verify it. I will tap on continue. This may take a few moments, so you need to be a bit patient with it. So guys, I just received a code on my phone number and then I will tap next. Then you will see this, keep your account updated with this phone number. You need to just tap on yes, I'm in, and I agree, and getting your account info. So if you have a backup data, it will show here, but I don't have any backups, so I will just tap on next. Google services, you need to tap on accept, and here protect your phone, face recognition, fingerprints, PIN, password, pattern. For now I will skip that part. I can do that later on as well. If you want to do it, you can do that. Now tap on agree, then access your assistant without unlocking your device. I agree. Review additional apps. If you want to get all these apps, you can do that, but I might have them later on. If you want to download it right away, you can just select and tap OK, but I don't want to do it right now, so I will skip it for now. They will recommend you some of the apps. If you want to get it, you can just select them. If not, then I will just click on next. Find your lost phone. If you want to sign in with Google or anything you want, you can skip that part for now as well. So I will skip it, and then you need to tap on agree. Here, choose your display preferences. I will keep the light one. You can change it later on from the settings as well if you want to. And then I will tap on next, and you are all set up. So I will just tap on finish, and this is it. Now discover and install great apps. You can just tap on continue, next. Okay, I need to select a gender and then tap on next. They will again ask you for recommended apps, but I don't want them. Just finished and tap on finished, and here you are. Guys, this is how you can set up your new Samsung smartphone. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.